Hey guys, I'm here with a new video, and this video is all about my collection of LOL Surprises dolls. There are too many LOL Surprises dolls. As you can see on the screen, there are too much and a lots of LOL Surprises dolls. I have a giant in the world LOL Surprise box, but I unboxed that, and as you can see, there are small pets and the dolls. I love LOL Surprises dolls, so that's why I have a lots of LOL Surprises dolls. If you want my collection of dream house doll houses, so I will. And as you can see, so if you want that a video about my dream house collection, so comment below, yes we want. Please make a video on dream house collection, and I have a long surprise house as you can see on the screen. I love this, and here is the cake and the decorations I make for my dolls because her birthday. So as you can see,